sugar cookies. Comment down below if you ever tried these cookies.
Jax, what are you making?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Sugar cookies.
Can you do it without touching? Beautiful sugar cookies. What's your favorite kind of cookie, Jax?
These guys.
These are your favorite now?
Yeah.
Even more than chocolate chip? Oh, you're dripping all over the place.
What's your favorite cookie? Let us know in the comments below. If we don't have chocolate chips, we should make these ones.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
First time I've ever attempted sugar cookies and they've turned out. Look at that. They're not burnt. Apparently, watching the Great British Baking Show
Helped us.
You think that helped us?
Remember.
Can you move on to the plate?
It's no problem. That one didn't cut it off.
Mmm.
Ooh la la.
Yeah.
If you like these cookies, give us a big thumbs up.
Okay, you're gonna eat one?